tense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, or you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hint now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side.
All right, y'all, when I get in the mood, I really get in the mood to start cleaning. I go for it, okay? And I just decided to get up and clean the kitchen. And I actually took everything out of my cabinets on both sides and rearranged it. I just felt like I needed more space for like all my mugs. And this side of my cabinets have a lot more space. So I'm just emptying the cabinets real fast. And actually, it wasn't real fast at all. It took me about an hour and a half to empty everything, clean out the stuff, and like switch it. But this is actually very therapeutic. Like I said in my last video, cleaning is a form of therapy and organization as well. So get into it. So this side of my kitchen was what I would consider like my coffee bar, just the drinking area. That's why I had all of my mugs over here. But honestly, it just was not enough space in these cabinets for like my mugs. I have a lot of mugs. So I decided to just put over here my plates and my cups and my favorite like holiday glasses. So I went ahead and cleaned out this entire side, which I didn't show everything, but you guys, I did clean out this entire side. And yeah, I put all of my like cute iced coffee glasses and mugs underneath the cabinet this time, and like my tea, because my tea station is here as well. I'm obsessed with these types of Anthropologie cups, you guys. I have so many different ones. Now that spooky season is over, I can put all those cups away and get ready to bring out my Christmas ones. Goodness, I cannot talk. But y'all, just look at this kitchen. I love a clean kitchen, okay? It just makes me so happy. Okay, so we're taking a little break between cleaning. Mason, don't be trying to cover up. I brought Mason and Aaliyah out to Walmart so that Aaliyah can spend her birthday money.
Can I show them what I got? Mm-hmm. Okay, so first thing I got...
We're at Sonic right now, though, and we're getting us a little drinky drink because everything is half off on the app. So, yeah.
Okay, so first thing I got are these mini Starbursts, and I'm just going to show them what they look like. So this is one of the colors. They're like a red color. And they taste good.
Are they hard?
Kind of. You want to try one?
Mm-mm.
Oh. And I have this sparkling ice water. It's 0 sugar because we're not...
So you can save that for tomorrow since you're about to have a slushie.
And we have this...
Wicked costume.
Mm-hmm.
That's going to be cute.
I got this dog.
What else?
And this LOL. And that's it.
Yep, so she is just having a ball. And Mason picked out his birthday's coming up, so he's going to have a chance to spend his birthday money. And I told him if his week was good and he has a great week, does what he's supposed to do, has a great attitude, he will get what he wanted as well. And he's like really into Beyblades right now. So he picked out a couple of them that he liked. And yeah, we're going to have a great week, right, Mace?
Yeah.
We're just waiting to get our drinks from Sonic, and Dad's about to get off in just a little bit. And then I'm making chicken noodle soup. Whenever the weather gets a little bit cold, I even turned my AC off yesterday, y'all. The AC is officially off in our house, and it's still cold. It gets real cold, and we cannot wait to light the fireplace. So as soon as we just feel like it's an ounce of cold weather.
We lit the fireplace when we had snow outside.
Mm-hmm.
And it was so warm.
But it ain't no snow. But I ain't gonna hold you. That fireplace might just get lit.
Because if there was snow, we wouldn't be out.
No, definitely wouldn't.
I'm glad there's a fireplace because my finger...
Here comes our food. Yeah.
I see my cherry lemonade.
Hi. And yes, thank you.
Anything else for you today?
No, that's it. Thank you so much. Mason, do you think you can hold it for me? You want to hop up here in the
I
front?
just want to get my drink.
You want to hop up here then, so you can
Can I
hold
have,
it?
Mom, can I have my drink?
Yeah, hold on.
So I'm so excited, and I want to taste test for you guys.
Are you getting out and coming around?
Hey, Mommy.
Be careful, I unlock the door for you. I really want some chicken.
Careful.
Be careful. I really want chicken pot pie. No. But I don't know if they're gonna eat it. Although it's ideally the same thing. Like, you know, all the difference is we add a pie crust over it and no noodles. It's the same thing. But okay, so Mason, oh, you got a large on accident.
Bro, that's not fair.
It's okay. It's a lot.
Oh, I got a lot too. So
Be
guys,
careful.
this is my drink. I got a blue raspberry.
Okay, Lily got a blue raspberry. What
And
you
I
get,
bet
Mason?
if we were in Dad's truck, he'd be like, no, we gotta wait till we get home.
What'd you get?
Cherry
Oh,
lemonade.
Mason got a cherry limeade. I got a Coke Zero with vanilla. And can you not tear my car up? And then Samaya got a mango slushy. So we're gonna head to the house and
Wait,
I'll
look,
call y'all
guys.
back. The quality of these leggings. Let me close the door. These leggings are from TJ Maxx, and the way they suck everything in, and they're such good fabric. I think I paid, I want to say $16.99. The brand is, there's like a Z right here. I'm gonna have to look it up. I don't know what brand that is, but the way they snatch everything in and they fit so good, the quality of them is amazing, and they go all the way down. They are just the best, and it's so crazy. Let me pick you up off the floor. It's crazy because I only got one pair. They had this color, black. They had black, and then they had like, and they don't slide down. Like, they don't get baggy right here in the cooch area. I hate that when leggings do that. These just stay in place. They're so cute. They had black, and then they had like a plum color, and I'm so mad I didn't get the plum color. Because when you hold them up, I got a size medium because I'm in a medium now. But when you hold them up, they are like this big. So when I tell you the stretch is amazing, and like I said, they still have room. So I'm going to show you guys how I make my chicken noodle soup. It's actually on Instagram and on my TikTok, if I'm not mistaken. Like I said, whenever it gets just a little bit cold, we are ready for some soup, okay? So I'm going to use some carrots, some of a white onion, and some celery. This one's really good. It's from Kroger. It's sweet and crispy celery. I had it the other day, just like plain, and it was actually sweet. So I don't know. I use it in my tuna salad as well.
Guys, look, I got my dose.
Oh yeah. And so I'm getting ready to season and brown up these chicken thighs, and then I boiled it to make like a broth or whatever. So I'm gonna do that first, and then I'll get started on like chopping the veggies and all of that stuff. Now my sweet peas, I just prefer them in my chicken noodle soup. It's literally the same thing as chicken pot pie. I just don't think they are realizing that it's the same thing, except it has pie crust on it. I'm craving that so bad, but this will do because it's still really good. But I'm gonna put these in the freezer until I'm ready to use them. So now that our meat is browned, I'll show you real fast.
Are you done?
It's nice and browned,
Huh?
so we can add it to our pot so we can boil and make our broth.
Things are getting intense now. You talking about me like, boy, you speak French now. So I gotta take a hit now. I hate like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, and you know I'm with the gang, right?
Wait, no, I'm gonna put I wanna go.
Yeah, when Jasmine gets too much time on her hands, Jasmine likes to start DIYing, okay? If you have been here for a while, you know I've DIY'd a few of the paintings that I have in my home, tables, I spray paint. I just kind of shop my home and repurpose things, and I just find joy in that. So this painting I've had for probably 4 years now. The painting itself I just outgrew, and it just hasn't been getting used. But so I decided to go and get this black paint out of the garage that I have had for about a year now. And I was like, let me just put my own little touches on this painting for my bedroom. So I decided to paint the entire base of it black. And I was going for like a textured, kind of just like, I don't even know what to call it, you guys, but I think it came out cute. It's different. And what I love about doing this is that nobody else is going to have this in their home. And it's only going to be pleasing. It's pleasing to my eye. I created it, you know? So just have fun. Definitely use what you have in your house. And if I don't like it, I can go back over it again and try something else. So you just have so much freedom and just reign to do whatever you want to do when you're creating your own canvases. And if you don't like it for real, like, you can just go get a $20 canvas from Hobby Lobby and call it a day. Okay, you guys, so this is what the painting ended up looking like. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or not. I'm thinking about putting a picture light over it and adding maybe some silver to it, like little some metallic in there. I don't know. So far, this is what my little area is looking like, but I don't know if I want to put picture light over this picture, or I know for sure there's gonna be pictures on that wall of me and my husband, and I'm gonna put picture light over it. So I don't know, y'all. But one thing I love about doing this DIY artwork is that nobody else will have it. It's literally my own creation, and I kind of love it, and it goes great with my bed here. So yeah, we'll see. Not too much on me, okay? We'll see. Guys, so it is actually a few days later. Let me not film while my coworker is sitting in her car next to me looking at me, because they don't know I do content. I just got home not too long ago, but I wanted to try and be as productive as I can because I struggle with distraction. I struggle. So I bought this planner like the beginning of the month or last month, I'm pretty sure. And y'all, if y'all don't know, I'm obsessed with like the cheetah print. So I got this from Target. I think it was only $9.99 too. Okay. But it is a planner for October, November, December, and then to 2026. So I thought that was really cool. That way I'm not having to like waste the planner, you know what I'm saying? So obviously there's only one more day of the month. Tomorrow's Halloween. We're having like a little family get together Halloween party. Not really. I didn't really want to spend the money on wasting costumes this year, although Aaliyah does have a costume and my niece. But my kids are older too, right, Maya? Did you want a costume? Did you want a costume, Samaya? You said you didn't want one.
I said I didn't want to go out. I said I wanted to dress up and pass candy out.
Well, yeah, we're still trying to decide. I don't know. But I have some stuff that I still need to get. Can you bring me that bag, Maya? I went to Target after work because I placed the order yesterday. I don't know if I told you guys that or not. But I got some play spiders so that I can put them up on the lights. Hey, Remy. And I got some spider web so I can put up. And then this is like the cutest thing. This is what I really was placing the order for. Were these little ghost, I was gonna say mushroom. Ghost
Peeps.
Marshmallow peeps. Aren't they so cute?
No, Mama,
And I'm gonna use these for something specific, which I'll show you guys.
Mama.
I also got some gummy eyeballs because we're gonna make some drinks.
I'm gonna show them.
And yeah, I ordered from Target the big gummy eyeballs, and they canceled my order. They said they sold out.
So guys, these are the eyeballs, and I'm gonna show you one up close.
I have to do it because you're not gonna be able to see.
I want to eat that one.
So they're gummy eyeballs, and I'm gonna put them in their
Can I eat this?
fun little drinks
Can I
or whatever.
just-
Besides that, I just have some other like little things that I have to get put down. I need to make my grocery list. I need to plan out for next week my meal prep, because I took 2 weeks off of meal prep, and when I tell you, no, I can't do it. Now that I've done it, hold on one second. Now that I've done it for so long consistently, like I did it for like a month. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's not super long, but I did it for a month. And now that I went 2 weeks without it, I noticed a difference, and I just don't like it. I prefer having my meals ready, knowing what I'm gonna eat every single day. And also, I'm trying to get the figure, you know, right. So I'm gonna take some notes and finish up here, and then I'll call y'all back. What's up, babes? So I just got back from Kroger. I went ahead and did my last minute errands for the little gathering that we're doing here at my house. I just made some buffalo chicken dip, and y'all, when I tell you, it was so good. I had some leftover shredded chicken, like taco chicken, and I put it with cream cheese, ranch seasoning, and some buffalo sauce, and I mixed that sucker up, and I'll eat it with some chips. I am gonna order pizza, but I had to go get like cups, sherbet, Sprite, because I'm gonna make them some like googly eye drinks with those eyeball candies, and then I still have some straightening up to do and stuff like that. So I'm gonna do all of that real quick, and I'm gonna hang up the fake spider webs, and I'll just let y'all watch me do that, because surely it's not that hard. Okay, you guys, so it's a lot harder than it looks. I just kind of put them all there. See, now I have to fix this side, but I'm gonna put some fake spiders in them as well. So let's do that. You can go up the trumpet. I'll turn up my services. Come here, Mammy. You wanna put your hat back on? No. Yeah. You need to go pee-pee? No.
Sorry.